Insulin resistance has got to be one of the number one, obstacles that I see in people's ability to manage their weight. And the first step is, what is insulin resistance? So insulin resistance is when the cells of your body become resistant to insulin. So how does that happen? Well, if you're constantly producing excess insulin, then your cells become desensitized. So it's kind of like listening to loud music. If you turn it up too loud, then your hearing starts to get damaged. And then you've got to turn up the volume to get to the same level. And what's that going to do? Cause more damage, right? So this is something that I see a lot in our society, is that as people become more insulin resistant, then they have stronger cravings and they need more sugar or glucose in their blood to get the same effect. And it's kind of like a snowball effect that goes out of control until they end up reaching prediabetes or diabetes. And then the solution is you go to your doctor, and many times they'll put you on insulin, which is going to cause more resistance. So it's really a vicious cycle. But that's really the crux of the inability to lose weight, because insulin's main job is to signal your cells to store fat. But more importantly, when your insulin levels are high, it also prevents you from removing fat from the cell. So any level of insulin resistance is going to be a major obstacle in your ability to lose weight. And this is probably one of the most important factors you see when someone says, I exercise, I diet, I do all the right things, and I can't seem to lose weight. Because even if you're not eating, and even if you're exercising and burning more calories than you're putting in, that excess insulin prevents the body from pulling out the body fat from the cell.